Mag-give na ako ng salamin.
Kasi may tumatanda na.
Malabo na yung mata ko, sabi ng mga ito. Hindi ako eh. Ikaw?
Me, I have an appointment for April, but they told me
For your eyes
to
too?
doctor first. Wala.
For your eyes?
Kaya kung ma-exercise, kailangan ko na talaga ng because I'm sorry already. Just the way I'm very sorry. Good thing to you.
Tama, bubiyang. Long time mo nagigiyang.
No, yeah. That's why when you as you know what's your
older.
know what's your eyes when you're tired. Kasi when you go computer all the time.
Yeah.
That's what you can be
Getting sore.
Why? Sit now. Sit down. Just sit down here.
Why? Eat, Justin. Eat.
Sit down.
Turuan mo nga.
Come on, Justin.
When you're getting sit down over here.
Vivian. 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 Are you gonna eat?
Pillows over there.
Are you gonna eat? No. You're not hungry?
No, if he's touching you now. That's our high.
Hi po, hi. How are you?
Meron ng protection. 1 year.
Good.
Wala pa yun.
Oh, me? Ano mo protection?
No, you have.
How old are you, Justin? How old are you?
5.
How old are you?
Yung green. Yung green.
Oh, I thought 9.
Sa may...
Your grandma said 9. 6.
6 years old.
Oh my goodness.
I told you 6 years old.
Oh, I give 9 candles. Hi, Marcelo.
Marcelo can...
Hi.
I pirong.
Hi, Marcelo. How are you? How are you, Marcelo? Marcelo.
Look.
Marcelo, how are you?
Look.
Hi.
Ate, Ante, bro, saka bumili nito mga pagkain. Alam mo naman, siyempre.
Baby.
Aba, ate, magkano ma-receive? Wala pa ako na-receive. Meron magkano ano mo?
Nagkano lang, wala pa akong tanggap. Mga 8,000. Wala pa, hindi ko pa nakukuha.
Ano to?
Eggplant.
Ayun, magbabayad na si Ate Uli ng utang para makautang siya ulit.
Si ate, wala yata utang sa akin eh. Matanda na.
Wala lang, hindi na uso yung utang. Wala lang bayaran.
Oh, talaga.
Mom?
Pagbayad ka. Kundi pag ginipit ka, wala kang magkakautang sa'yo.
Hindi na magigipit kasi meron na akong matatanggap ng pera everyday.
You better pay.
Okay. I'm hungry.
Ayun, over there.
Hi, Marcelo.
Kain ng suman.
Baby.
Eat, ano ko? Eat ako.
Yeah. Now.
I never even tried before. You like it?
Kasi rin tubig niya.
You like it?
Ako mo na rin sa chair.
Huh? Like man,
Gusto din yun.
you like lie down? You like sleep? Lie down? No?
Yes.
Kami, go get his water.
Check mo muna yung telephone ako.
No, that's water in the bottle.
Wait, kumain ka na. Budget.
Wait lang.
Down, sit down.
Wala kang pagkita.
You know where you are? On the side of it.
Pare!